but it just comes and goes.
Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a moving vlog. So we're currently moving houses. We're moving from one rental to another rental. So this is the current one. This is currently my bedroom. We're just moving a couple of boxes over now. So I'm there just through cars, and then tomorrow will be the 5th of May, which is the big moving day. So yeah, I've moved once before, which was more emotional because I'd lived in that house like my whole life, to a rental, which was really emotional, but like I kind of want to move now because I didn't like the last one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this moving vlog, and if you guys like vlogs from me, definitely make sure to give this thumbs up so I know to do more vlogs. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video.
Reminiscing about the summer when I heard that you were in town. All the nights on it with thunder, we would cuddle with the big sounds. Get the pictures up on Tumblr, but there's someone that you left out. Am I really just a number, or am I just your second best now? You know I hate it when you're distant. You left when we were adolescent.
Hey guys, so today is moving day 2. We currently have the movers. They are doing 2 trips. They've already done one, and they're on their second one where they're bringing my bed. And then they brought furniture like this and the carcass for this. So all that's kind of all been put together. So we've almost completely finished. They're just on their lunch break. Then they're bringing the stuff over. But yeah, so it's almost done, and it's really crazy to think that like this is my second time moving in 1 year, and I've only ever moved, and like I don't know, it's hard to explain. Like I'd never moved before, and then in the space of 1 year I've moved twice already, so it's like crazy. But yeah, I'm really excited about my room. It's a lot bigger and brighter and just like a lot nicer. I also have a wardrobe. It's not the nicest wardrobe in the world, as you can see, but it's so much better than not having one. But yeah, so that's basically it for right now. But I'm so excited to redecorate my room. Like all the blank wall space is, I'm very excited. So I just popped out of the apartment, I guess, to get some lunch. So I'm taking a break from packing. I'm so hungry. Like I literally can't function when I'm this hungry. So I'm getting food just down the road. But yeah, it's literally incredible. Like there's this like walk near my house to get down to like where I'm going, and it's just like ocean views the whole way. So nice. But yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna go get some food, and then I'll go back to packing.
And so young, causing only mischief. Your love is something more than pleasant. Got my dreams and reality all mixed up. Couple shots in a round should get me fixed up. Cause you know that this shouldn't hurt me this much. You know I gotta know. So baby choose. So baby choose. What do we have to lose? Baby choose, come on baby choose. So baby choose, what do we have to lose? Cause you know I gotta know, so baby choose. So baby.
Yesterday we moved in. So today's kind of like our first whole day in the house, I guess, well, apartment. So I am currently doing my room up. I'm really happy with how it's turning out at the moment. I'm just gonna go print some photos and put some things up on the walls. But I currently have like fairy lights up there. I don't know whether you can see that, but I'm really loving the way my room is, as I've already said. But yeah, so today you might get a few snippets of me moving in, but other than that, that should be about it for this vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this moving vlog, and if you guys would like to see a if you guys would like to see a room tour, please let me know in the comments down below if that's what you would like to see. Also, if you would like to see a makeup collection, I can also do that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.